tonight. Why is
We've been given rare insight into new groundbreaking technology helping WA police catch criminals red-handed. Drones have been spying on troublemakers. The latest arrest in our northern suburbs allegedly uncovering more than 1 kilo of meth.
Accused criminals completely unaware they're being tracked. An alleged drug deal busted by a drone in Darch.
Well, it's an eye in the sky.
The small and almost silent aircraft follows the e-scooter before its rider swaps 2 wheels for 4.
And when you have e-scooters, they're quite mobile, quite versatile around small areas where they can move between houses, they can move down footpaths that our larger vehicles sometimes can't.
But the law catches up, an undercover car T-boning the getaway vehicle. Specialist police arresting a 32-year-old allegedly found with a whopping 1.2 kilos of meth in his backpack.
When a crime has been committed, I think the public expect us to bring it to resolution as quick as possible, and drones is one way we will do that.
72 officers are trained to fly. And now there's more than 60 crime-fighting drones working across WA.
Drones are really useful tools for not putting police officers at risk.
Drones are incredibly hard to spot from the ground, and that's one of the advantages of the assets. But police stress they're still bound by the same strict rules set by the aviation watchdogs CASA that forbid flying over backyards or near airports.
These drones do record video, and